Good day guys, want to change that blurry artist photo or update your bio for a new release? In this year, a lot of artists waste hours looking for an edit profile button inside DistroKid. But here's the secret. DistroKid handles your music, while Spotify for Artists handles your face. Today, I'm showing you the instant access method to bridge your DistroKid account to Spotify so you can take control of your artist page. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just click on the goodies menu after logging into DistroKid, select special access, and then click Spotify for Artists. After that, you need to click on the big button that says Get Access. Then the setup. DistroKid will instantly verify your identity with Spotify. This is the fastest way to get that blue check mark. You don't have to wait weeks for Spotify's manual review. Once connected, you'll be redirected to Spotify for Artists dashboard. And now you can make the edits. So inside the Shopify for Artists app or website, click on Profile at the top. Move next is clicking the pencil icon on your header image to upload a new banner. Scroll down to the About section to write your bio. Also, don't forget to add your artist pick. This lets you pin a song, playlist, or even a tour date to the very top of your profile for 6 months. Then hit save. And your changes will update across Spotify worldwide in minutes. And your brand is officially under your control. If this helped, like and subscribe.